This is a tire that just won't seat. Big deal. It's seated. This is a tire I got from eBay that shipped to me nice and compressed, which is good for shipping, but not for the person who has to mount them on the rims. Standard size, 15 by 6.00, whatever. The answer is hot water. I did this with the other one, the other front wheel, and I decided to make a video on it. And that's how you get the water out. You know what to do. Push it all the way until you hit the rubber at the other side. Pull it back just a hair. Keep the tire angled so the low point is right there with the straw. And suck it out. The other alternative. There's a little bit left. Okay, now that this is empty, I sucked out all the water. There's no noise. If you're concerned about any of the drops that might still be in there, take some air. And just do that a couple of times.